Hey folks, I'm here with Josh, and Josh has been making plugins for WooCommerce, and I know all of you store owners are wanting more information about some of those. So this is Josh, and Josh makes two very important plugins that really need to be explored a little bit further. So that's why I brought him on here today. We're going to talk about coupons, and we're going to talk about wholesale. Big deal in the group, big deal in the community. So I want everybody to welcome Josh Klobach. Josh, how you doing, buddy?
Yeah, good, man. How are you?
Good. Hey, tell us about which one do you want to start with?
I'm happy to go either way. So we've got two products basically. Wholesale Suite, which is I believe the biggest wholesale solution for WooCommerce, probably the most complete solution and most popular. And then we've got a newer plugin called Advanced Coupons, which is something we're building up at the moment.
Can you show us the Wholesale Suite site as you go over it?
Yeah, sure thing. Let me just share my desktop. You got that there?
Yeah.
All right. So, so for those that aren't too familiar with wholesaling in WooCommerce, based on our research long ago, we've had this product since about 2015. We found that there was sort of three main, I guess you call them roadblocks, or things that stop people from selling wholesale in WooCommerce. And that's being able to easily add your wholesale pricing in a variety of different ways, like more flexible ways, and being able to do so for different wholesale tiers as well. So you might have multiple levels of wholesale roles or wholesale types of wholesale customers you want to target specific pricing to, and being able to control the visibility of all that pricing is something that's traditionally been really hard. You know, in the past, you would have to cobble together 3 or 4 different plugins just to be able to do that and control the visibility and the pricing and all that kind of thing. And if something went wrong with one of them, you're kind of stuffed. So, so that was sort of roadblock number one. The second one is more of a marketing problem. So wholesale customers, when you have a wholesale customer compared to a regular customer, one of the things is quite different with a wholesale customer is they're already aware of what products you sell. So their ordering process needs are very different to somebody that's just discovering you for the first time. So imagine if you're a wholesale customer, would you want to come back to the store and browse through every single product just the way a regular customer would? Probably not. And that's why we made an ordering form, like an ordering solution for them, which is kind of reminiscent of, the old sell sheets that retailers used to put out to their wholesale customers. It would basically be like a PDF with a table in it, and you would just mark on there which ones you would want. We basically digitized that that kind of process, and put it into a wholesale ordering form. Cool. So that was like the second thing that we hit on. And the third thing that we kind of solved is being able to manage your wholesale level customers. So registering wholesale customers and automatically putting them into a wholesale group, having like an approvals process is something that you can do with our lead capture solution as well. So Wholesale Suite is actually made up of 4 different plugins. So there's a free pricing plugin, which basically gives you basic wholesale pricing capabilities. Then we've got the Prices Premium, which adds more capabilities on top of that. So like visibility control, minimum purchase rules, tax. There's lots of different nuances and flexible features in that kind of thing. Then we've got the order form, which is solving that second issue, and lead capture, which helps you manage your wholesale customers. So that's Wholesale Suite in a nutshell, actually. So
the typical store owner is going to be somebody who has a very good maybe social awareness already. They're already getting sales in, and then maybe somebody comes to them and says, hey, look, I'd like to buy wholesale. Do you have a system already in place? And what I've seen a lot of times, Josh, is people will kind of piece together, different plugins to try to handle that, and then control member visibility. Maybe I want to show these discounted prices only after people log in with a wholesale account.
Exactly.
Perhaps I want to completely wholesale only, so that you've got to log in entirely to even see a price at all.
Yeah.
Those are a couple of very, very, very real and very practical use cases where someone would want to have a wholesale suite plugin. But not only that, it's the time and exhaustiveness for the store owner to continually update and piece and part all of these other different things together. Whereas here, you've got it all under one umbrella.
Exactly. And we work really hard to make sure that we're not only compatible with the latest WooCommerce and WordPress and stuff, but also that it plays nicely with a lot of the other popular extensions and stuff as well. So our whole premise is that you can add this to your existing store. You don't have to set up another store and then have the headache of managing 2 stores.
Sure.
So yeah, that was kind of the goal. And I'm a developer myself, so like back before we had Wholesale Suite, we were actually consultants. So we would do projects like this, and we just, we did so many of them. We got so frustrated with the way it was.
Yeah.
It was like, okay, we have to do something about this. So.
Hey, could you switch over real quick to the coupons? Yeah,
sure thing. So advanced coupons, basically advanced coupons is like, it's a new extension that we're making at the moment. And our goal with this really is to help people run any kind of deal that they want in WooCommerce. One thing that's always frustrated me is the capabilities of coupons out of the box in WooCommerce. And if you don't add any extra extension to them, it gets, you're basically limited in the types of deals that you can do. You can't run buy one, get one type deals. You can't put products automatically into a cart. You can't, show notifications, or you can't even set proper scheduling with coupon deals. So we wanted to solve all those little basic things first up, and also put in a few nice features that we've played with privately in the past for clients and stuff like that. So cart conditions is probably one of those. Basically being able to check for certain conditions on your coupons before allowing that coupon to be applied.
Right.
So as a store owner, you can mix and match rules about what should be in the cart, or what the customer, some sort of attribute about the customer. If they ordered some product before, or when did they register? When was their last order? And this is support stuff for, say, email marketing, social marketing, and stuff like that. When you're giving out coupons, you want to be able to make sure.
It's really important for the store owner to really get on this page and go down there and look at the features overview, because one of the best things is that you can add a product via a coupon code on the cart page, and that's really if you've got a particular set of buyers, then you want them to do a specific thing. If you've already brought them to your site, you've won half the battle.
Exactly.
So if you're running a Facebook promo or something like that says, hey, look, apply this coupon when you get to your cart. Okay, wait a minute. So you've now assumed the sale almost. The person is probably going to be more willing to click the link to find out what the coupon code is, what it does, and add something to their cart. And in that cart, if you're smart, you'll have a pixel set so that you can maybe retarget them. And or every time they go to add something to their cart, maybe you have a little gentle pop-up or something like that says, hey, look, I know you're busy. Would you like to save this item in your cart in case you get distracted? So you're now using different steps along the buying process to get people more engaged. And that whole, I would just encourage people to go and look at this table right here for the advanced coupon plugin as well?
Just on that point as well, like I believe strongly that you should try and surprise and delight your customers as much as possible.
Yeah.
Which is why we built a couple of things, two particular features I want to point out. So being able to automatically apply a coupon. So you can couple this with the rules of your cart conditions. So whatever conditions that you set, say if you want a particular product to be in the cart with a particular quantity, or if you want them to be shopping for a particular product category, or if you're even just targeting a particular user role, say if you have wholesale customers and you want to give them some sort of deal, you can have that coupon automatically apply once it detects those are actually valid. Or you could show them a one-click kind of notification. This just uses the standard WooCommerce notifications on your cart page, but it also gives you a button to automatically apply the coupon, so they don't have to sit there and type it in. And yeah, just little things like that make your customers' lives a little bit better, a little bit easier. If you remove some of that friction, you'll get better results.
Yes, definitely. From the analytics, metrics, and sales, and connecting the store and the store owner to the right tools that matter. It's plugins like this that really make the difference between a page view and a successful thank you page, resulting in more revenue for the store owner. Exactly.
So a couple more things that we're doing with this plugin, if you don't mind me just riffing on it a little bit. We're planning to build this out a little bit more. So this is just the basic feature set at the moment, and we're looking at adding new innovative stuff that can help you eliminate some of your other plugins. So similar to what we did with Wholesale Suite, where you would have had 5 or 6 plugins to run your wholesale, and now you just have our Wholesale Suite. We want to do the same sort of thing with advanced coupons. So instead of having a plugin to run your loyalty program, or a plugin to run SMSing your customers, or being able to categorize your coupons and stuff like that, we've got a few of those things coming down in the pipe, and we're just about to release our loyalty program, the first iteration of that. And we just want to be able to build this into literally what it is, an advanced solution for coupons and promoting deals and stuff on your store. So
gotcha.
Yeah, really excited to grow it.
Cool. Well, all right, Josh. Hey, if they need to get a hold of you, if they want to sign up for some email notification, is there a spot on this page right here where they can?
Look, if you just go to
under blog or something like that.
Well, if you go to advancedcouponplugin.com, you'll land on our homepage here. It'll probably pop up a little thing saying, "Come and get this free guide." So we have a 28-day marketing plan guide that we put together, which will show you how to grow your WooCommerce store in 28 days. It's basically like a step-by-step plan. And you can use this, you don't have to be a new store. You can use it at any time just to sort of brush up on some ideas and stuff like that. But we go really in depth on how you should use what sort of things you should be setting up to get the best results. So go ahead and go and download that.
Cool. Well, thank you, Josh, so much.
No worries.
Guys, my name is Brad, and I am going to go find some more tools, bring them to you. Thanks for joining. We'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.